In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Mailchimp account to Zapier, which can greatly enhance your workflow and automate the exchanges between these two powerful platforms. By following these instructions, you'll be able to streamline your email marketing process and save valuable time. To get started, first head over to the Zapier dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see an option for app connections, which is a vital component of Zapier's functionality. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you'll manage all interactions between Zapier and the various apps you're using. With the App Connections menu open, take your attention over to the App section. Here, you need to click, allowing you access to a list of all the apps available in Zapier's extensive library. This list is ever expanding, so you'll want to ensure you have the latest updates to see the full scope of integrations possible. Next, zero in on the upper right corner of the screen. There's a button labeled Add Connection. Click this button to initiate the process of adding a new app to your Zapier ecosystem. What you're doing here is essentially telling Zapier that you want to connect it with a new service, in this case, Mailchimp. In the search field that appears, type in Mailchimp. Give it a second and you should see Mailchimp pop up as one of the options. Sometimes the list can be long, so make sure you're selecting the right service. Click on Mailchimp when you see it to proceed further. After selecting Mailchimp, you'll again click on Add Connection. This step is crucial because it opens a linking pathway between Zapier and Mailchimp, paving the way for seamless integration. It's like setting up a bridge between the two platforms. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. This process involves authorizing Zapier to access your Mailchimp account. You might be asked to log into Mailchimp if you aren't already authenticated, ensuring that Zapier has the necessary permissions to perform actions within your account. Take your time to read through each prompt to ensure you're not missing any important details. Once finished, the connection is established, and you can start creating zaps that utilize Mailchimp. Connecting Mailchimp to Zapier is a fundamental step towards automating how you interact with your email marketing efforts. With this integration, you open up opportunities to connect Mailchimp to thousands of other apps, making your marketing processes more efficient than ever. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.